Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AK and Nigam. I'm an Indian YouTuber AK Nigam, and I want to say something about what are workstations and server computers and what are the main difference between about them. So I want to say something about this is a technological technology related channel, and this is my time for the current topic. So what are workstations? So I want to say something about all of the users. All of the users computers connected to the network are workstations. They do not need necessary floppy disk drivers because files can be saved on the file server. So almost any computer can be served as a workstation. And other types server computers, secondly server computers. The server computers used for networking to serve the facility to interconnect the computers through server. These computers are very accurate, powerful designed computers and use IP address, that is Internet Protocol address, and also use TCP/IP protocol, that is Transmission Protocol of the Internet Protocol, for the data transmission. So this is very crucial part about that computers. Workstations and supercomputers. Generally, supercomputers are fifth generation computers, and today's we are in technological era. So this reason we use fifth generation technology, and generally in the internet technology we use artificial intelligence technology in on the web. So in this time, and I want to say something about the artificial intelligence technology in the next video. And if you want to give me the topic about the technological era, so I definitely I will give that video for this topic. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.